One of the reasons that I like working for Clariant is that I feel like we really prioritize education and training for our customers. A month ago, we hosted a catalyst and operating training seminar for Syngas Plants, and I just want to share a few things that I learned in this seminar. Some First thing is that some large companies or maybe companies with multiple sites will sometimes keep one spare secondary reformer or ATR dome in inventory in the event that they unexpectedly need to replace their dome during a turnaround. The lead times for these items can be long, and unless you're shut down, you can't really inspect them to see if you will need to change them out. So I thought that was interesting. Then the other thing that I learned is that SMR primary reformer tubes in general last on average 16 to 18 years, but some reformers are getting 25 years plus. This is why we talk a lot about kind of the importance of tube wall temperature monitoring, because operating any margin above design makes a huge impact. It shortens your tube life. So these are just two things that I thought were interesting that I wanted to share. Have a great day.